That's a really important point. I mean, standard cataract surgery is often used to refer to a situation where the lens has become cloudy and it's just to restore sight. You may still then be dependent on glasses, maybe just for near vision, but sometimes for distance and near vision. When we talk about refractive cataract surgery or lens replacement surgery, you're looking at a type of procedure where not only are you restoring the visual system to restore sight, but also restore spectacle independence or impart spectacle independence. So that would be the main differences between the two procedures, and that's something to consider.